What words work when you want to bring light, but all you can see is the pain? When deep down, I do feel hope, but it seems the world is going insane. The politicians' poverty, the catch-22s. Who voted for this? Did we really choose? I'm tired of the lies, injustice and war. I'm really struggling to see what the hell it's all for. Look, I won't say I know it all. For a start, I don't know who I can believe. It's not just MPs, but the media, police, they're all hiding something up their sleeve. Oh, it's a nasty collaboration, a drastic creation of fear. It's definitely not all as it seems. Bribes, manipulation, concealed negotiations. They've spent generations crushing our dreams. Oh, it's just unjust. Where are the people? Oh, right, that's us. But we think we're feeble. But I still have hope for a revolution. Please, someone send us a peaceful solution. But maybe that's the problem. We're all waiting around for someone else to come along so the answer can be found. Well, I'm tired of waiting for politicians to listen. We've got power in numbers. Let's boycott the system. You think it's impossible? Just check out Google. For sustainable energy solutions that don't need fuel. Imagine holistic exchanges, trustworthy transactions, where humanity and not money determines our daily actions. Imagine off-the-grid living, schools of positivity, where your well-being matters and not your productivity. Imagine a place where debt doesn't keep your heart in captivity, where cameras don't record your every activity. Oh, it's just unjust. Where are the people? Right, that's us. But we think we're feeble. Well, I said I'm tired of waiting for politicians to listen. We've got power in numbers. Let's boycott the system. You think it's not possible? Well, I see potential. But coming together in trust is what's essential. They try hard to divide us. Religion, race, age. Though I'd like to think that we're getting over that at this stage. The deception and lies are leaking slowly but surely. The net's making it blatant. We see rich getting richer and the poor more poorly. We find evidence of corporations that cooperate with the state. Yeah, the info is all there. We see job seekers victimized and homeless, but MP whoever was born a millionaire. Can't forget the billionaire bankers, among the world's richest, refusing to share. They just relax, avoid all their tax, and try to tell us it's fair. Ha! They tell us it's money that makes the world go round, when because of it, so many can't keep their feet on the ground. It's because of money that they remain in control. And something else, if they don't already, they would have your soul. Oh, it's just unjust. Where are the people? Oh wait, yeah, that's us, but we think we're feeble. But we just need trust, and then we'd be able to unite and fight, so there's food on every table. So here's an idea that I put forward. Find a group of people that will stick to their word about leaving the system and going back to the earth and living simple in nature where true unity can birth. If the sun shines and the rain pours, we can grow our own food. Or maybe you've been convinced that idea is no good. Well, of course they don't want us to believe the power is in our hands. That would hinder too much their lucrative plans. There are ways to support the mission of being self-sufficient. Ways we can take control of our own nutrition. Greenhouses, aquaponics, just two of the ways that we can take responsibility for living a life of abundance through self-sustainability. So many don't believe though, as we are held hostage in fear by media conditioning or being judged by our peers. But slaving my life away is not why I'm here. I live as free as can be. I'll make the most of my years. If you feel unworthy or hopeless, you can change your perspective. The power of your mind is what's most effective. Then together in numbers, we can paint a brighter picture. For the hungry, the war victims, the evolution of nature. So let's ask ourselves what we really want. Is it slaving behind for the greed at the front? Or is it living in trust within a system built from care? In a place free to create, discover and share. For now I feel sure of what I want to choose. You can keep calm and carry on if you think you've nothing to lose. Whatever you do, I wish you love on your quest. That we all do our best and enjoy the process.